Welcome to CP Plus. Let's understand another product of CP Plus T-Sense series. Here we will talk about integrated temperature screening solution with face recognition and access control. Let's see the devices which are used in this solution. Majorly devices are face recognition terminal with access control and wrist temperature measurement sensor. We also have a floor mount stand which is optional. This solution is quite easy to install and can work as a standalone solution. CP Plus provides software tool by which we can do standalone unit management. We can import face images on terminal and can do library management. This software also helps for face image collection and add information for personnel. By this software, the records can be exported with temperature and many more things can be done by using this software. The integrated temperature screening solution with face recognition has many advantages. It provides accurate measurement of temperature. It gives temperature information with face identity. It has high efficiency by which temperature measurement of 20 to 30 people can be done in 1 minute with face recognition. This solution also supports lock for access control. We can capture time and attendance logs with the solution by using face recognition feature. CP Plus integrated temperature screening solution is a high performance solution. The face recognition accuracy in this solution is 99% without mask and 90% with mask, and the temperature measuring accuracy is up to plus minus 0.3 degrees Celsius. The temperature measurement range starts from 30 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius and the measuring distance is 1 to 3 cm. If we talk about important features and functions of this solution, so it provides face display on screen with real-time temperature detection, voice alarm for abnormal temperature and those who do not wear a mask, support face recognition with mask, snapshot and overlay temperature OSD information. There is a privacy mode in which it only measures wrist temperature, does not capture face image. For this solution we can do two types of installation. The first one is wall mount installation, in which we require face recognition terminal and wrist temperature sensor. The second one is floor mount installation, in which we require face recognition terminal, wrist temperature sensor and floor mount stand, which is optional. For large installations, CP Plus provides software and hardware VMS solution by which monitoring, playback, abnormal temperature alert, time and attendance management, device management and many more things can be done at the centralized location.
Body temperature, normal body temperature, normal body temperature, normal body temperature.
Normal body temperature, please pass. Please wear a mask. Abnormal body temperature.
Abnormal temperature.
Now let's talk about the applications of this solution. Apart from temperature measurement, we can also do time and attendance management and access control using face recognition feature. Hence, it will be very useful for a small, medium and large offices, government offices, schools, bank, restaurants, etc.